Hey everyone, welcome to our Manali adventure vlog. It's early, around 5 a.m., and we are all packed up, ready to head out. My wife and I are just stepping out of the door, bags in hand, and the excitement is building for what lies ahead. Here we are at Saita Bihar metro station, meeting up with our friends Saurabh and Udita. It's been a long day of travel already, but now it's time to focus on the next important thing, breakfast. It seems the journey still is long ahead. It will take around 11 to 12 hours according to Google Maps, but including breaks, I think it will take around 15 to 16 hours. Other than that, our next stop is around Murthal to have paratha and chai, the famous chai of Murthal. So let's have it. Of course, no road trip is complete without a quick water break. So we made sure to stay hydrated. Trust me, these stops are a lifesaver when you are on long rides. Speaking of essentials, here we are in Murthal, one of the best spots for a hearty breakfast. The smell of fresh parathas is in the air, and we are ready to dig in. Finally, we have reached Kullu. Though the traffic slowed us down and we got here later than expected, we are almost in Manali now. Stay tuned. Next day, after breakfast, we saw that it started to rain. So we took the opportunity to rest. Later, we'll be visiting the Hidimba Devi Temple in the evening. See, just look at this. The fresh smell of rain in the mountains. It's just mesmerizing. This is the hotel La Waka Manali where we're staying. So this is a hostel dorm to dorm based rooms. So you can come in groups and stay in these bunk beds and have a good, friends trip. In the right side, this space, you can see there is this sitting areas in the ground to interact with other people. So now we are leaving for Hidimba Devi Temple. So we reached Hidimba Devi Temple, one of the most renowned temple in Manali. It is an ancient cave temple dedicated to Hidimba Devi, wife of Bhima, a figure in the Indian epic Mahabharata. The temple is surrounded by a cedar forest.
कितने का? चल उठा
तो आपको ये ट्रेल कैसी लगी?
ये ट्रेल है सिंपल एंड नाइस, आई थिंक पीसफुल था काफ़ी ज़्यादा। सबको आना चाहिए, हिडिम्बा देवी टेम्पल आओ तो यहाँ पे ट्रैक जरूर करना, छोटा सा ट्रैक है। गौर से देखिए इस अजीब से प्राणी को, ये रहता है इस पेड़ के अंदर बिल्कुल ऐसे ही छुप के। ये देखो, ये छाल ये नोच नोच के खा गया, तभी इसके दांत और आंखें ऐसे हो गई हैं। ये खौफनाक मंजर आपको दोबारा नहीं देखने को मिलेगा। सीधे शब्दों में हम ऐसे जानवरों को चूतिया कहते हैं।
अपने आप उगता है, यहाँ पे ऐसे ही उगते हैं। और ये फ्लावर
तो देखो वो उनके पीछे जा रहा है, हमारे साथ नहीं है। There is always a dog who is guiding you on trekking. Like whenever you gonna trek here, you always find a dog going along with you. It's their tradition to guide you in these mountains. They don't hesitate to, you know, scare away any wild animals that are around you. अभी ये ट्रैकिंग कर रहे हैं हम. It's a very simple trekking. There are 2 beds here, so we're just going. And there's a nice view, a very good view. There is this always a famous saying that never let the kid inside you die. So, हमने अपना बचपन जिया. We decided to live this day as a kid, to join other kids, have fun, just like we used to do when we were kids.
फोकस करो.
बहुत लगता है. So with these happy faces, I just want to end the vlog. And for more adventure and the zip line, all these activities will be in next episode.